Good morning, students. We were on FLs, so now I will discuss a few more programs of FLs. So you can see in this program what you have to do. You have to input the number of days, and if for first 7 days, if you return the book to the library, those first 7 days will be free. And for extra days, conditions are as follows. You can see the conditions. From day 1 to 5, charge is your 5 rupees per day. From day 6 to 10, it will be 10 rupees per day. For 11 to 20, it will be 12 rupees per day. And 20 above, it will be 15 rupees per day. And the compulsory charge is rupees 150 for library per month. Now how we will make this program? You can see import java.util.asterisk class ABC I have taken, public static void main string args. Now we will declare the variables D for days, C for charge, B for bill. I have initialized bill as 0. Now scanner class I will take because I have to take the input of number of days. So D is equal to sc.nextInt and your parenthesis open close and your semicolon. Now if D is greater than 7. Now this condition I have already told you, for first 7 days your charge will be free. So if D is greater than 7, so D is equal to D minus 7. Now multiple if condition we will apply in this. Now if D is greater than 1 and then D is less than is equal to 5. Now days if they are lying between 1 to 5, your bill will be is equal to D into 5, because charge for 1 to 5 days is 5 rupees per day. So that's why we will multiply the days with 5. Now else if D is greater than 5 and then D less than is equal to 10, according to the condition we are applying this statement. You can just see 6 to 10, that means greater than 5 we can write, or we can also write greater than is equal to 6. Here I have not applied equal to, that means it will take the value above 6. So greater than 5 and less than is equal to 10. So what we will do, we will subtract the days with 5 because the value is 5 over here, and charge is rupees 10 per day, into 10 plus 25. How we will calculate? For 1 to 5 days the number is 5, so 5 into 5 is 25. The previous value will get added in the next. Now else if D is greater than 10 and D less than is equal to 20. Now B is equal to, now the difference is your 10, so we will take 10. D minus 10 into 12 is your charge for this condition, plus previous value will add on this 25, and this 10 minus 5 is 5, 50 plus 25 is your 75. So we will add this previous value in this. Now else if D is greater than 20, for above 20 bill is equal to D minus 20 into 50 plus 2 to 5. Now value is here 20 minus 10 is your 10. 10 into 12 is your 120 plus 75 is your 225. So we will add this previous value also. Now system.out.println bill plus B plus 150, because compulsory charge is your 150. The payment which will come, you will add 150 by default in that bill. Now else your system.out.println bill plus 150. If all the condition becomes false, that means your days are lying between 1 to 7 and you will only have to pay your compulsory charge. days that are lying between 1 to 7 does not have any charge. They are free of cost. That's why else part will going to continue. Now I will discuss the output, how it will going to work. Dry run. Output. You can see if bill is equal to, days is equal to 7. Now you can see here 7 is greater than 7. Now 7 minus 7 is, now 7 greater than 7. So the condition is false. It will skip these statements and it will go to the else part and it will print your 150. Your bill is equal to 150. Now I will discuss second condition with you. When days are greater than 7. Now if days is equal to 10. So you can see 10 is greater than 7. So what we will do, we will subtract 10 minus 7. Days will become 3. Now from 1 to 5 it will come under this category, 1 to 5, because now days are 3. So your bill is equal to 3 into 5. It will come 15. Now 15 plus 150. Now bill is equal to 165. You will have to add the bill plus your compulsory charge in that, because days exceeds 7. So it will go to this condition, it will multiply and it will going to print this statement. Thank you, students.